I get asked a lot, Nirmal, how are you traveling so much and yet doing your marketing as is? Now, I believe in three major principles and that I follow a lot. Now, the first one is having data collection. Now, I put all my data into a CRM, all my interactions are into a CRM, and that interaction furthermore shoots out emails and has an interaction with the customer at the end of the day. And through that, I have an entire data set of my interaction with the customer or any of my employees' interaction with the customer at the end of the day. Now, when I add them to my CRM, I also add them to a list, and that comes to number two. When I add them to lists, they come into different lists. Either they are a preferred supplier or they're potential supplier, or ask them for extra samples, for instance. And we're trying to get to the end of this. And I mean, at the end of the day, you just add them to easy, manageable lists that makes more sense to all of them. And that makes a lot of a difference. And the last and the final, which is the third one, and which is quite important, is keep your customer always warm. In sense, if they're not going to be your supply anymore, send them emails and keep sending them requests. Is call them up once a while, once a month or once bi-monthly. Assign someone to them and ask them to have a chat at the end of the day. In a week at least, we usually spend about 1 hour a week just chatting up customers so that they always know we're around. Send them emails or send them a newsletter and talk about different things or follow up with the previous email and ask their opinions. And through that, it's always easy to maintain a better relationship with your customers, and you can automate that entire process. Well, that's my tip for today. Catch you tomorrow.